Hi dear student, in my previous online classes you have read about negative sentence, and today for class 9 and 10 English grammar chapter interrogative sentence. How will you change affirmative sentence into interrogative sentence? Today we have to read about this topic, interrogative sentence. Suppose that, for example, you eat food. Now if you want to change this affirmative sentence into interrogative sentence, then first of all you have to understand that this sentence belongs to which types of tense. So you find that this sentence belongs present indefinite tense affirmative sentence. And suppose that if you want to change this affirmative sentence into interrogative sentence, then according to subject you have to write down auxiliary verb do and after then subject. Do you eat food? By the help of auxiliary verb. And if you want to change by the help of interrogative word, then why do you eat food? When do you eat food? How do you eat food? There are two types of interrogative sentence. S or no type interrogative and WS type. You may find two types of interrogative sentence. One sentence is or no type interrogative sentence. This sentence belongs is or no type. Is or no types, and this sentence belongs WH types. So you are free to convert any sentence into interrogative sentence by the help of auxiliary of model auxiliary or primary auxiliary, or by the help of interrogative words. Then present indefinite affirmative sentence change into interrogative sentence. Come to the other example. Past indefinite. Sanjana drank water. This sentence belongs past indefinite, and if you want to change this sentence into interrogative, and if you want to change this affirmative sentence into interrogative sentence, I like as yes or no type, then you have to put down auxiliary verb did in past indefinite and after then subject, and after then this verb second change into verb's first form, drink water. Future indefinite. She will write a novel. And if you want to change this affirmative sentence into interrogative sentence as like as is or no type, then you have to put down first of all auxiliary verb. Will she write a novel? Or when, why, how will she write a novel? So in this way you have to change present indefinite sentence into interrogative, past indefinite into interrogative, and after then future indefinite into interrogative. Present continuous, Manorama is making a noise. This sentence belongs present continuous tense affirmative sentence, and if you want to change this affirmative sentence into interrogative, then if you want to yes or no type, then you have to put auxiliary verb first. Is Manorama making a noise, or why is Manorama making a noise? And after then past continuous, I was teaching English. If you want to change this affirmative sentence into interrogative and as well as yes or no type interrogative sentence, then auxiliary verb first. Was I teaching English, or why was I teaching English? And after that future continuous, we shall be eating guavas. If you want to change this affirmative sentence into interrogative and as well as yes or no type, then you have to put this auxiliary verb first. Shall we be eating guavas? And if you want to change this affirmative sentence into WS type question, then when shall we be? And after that present perfect, she has finished the work. If you want to change this affirmative sentence into interrogative sentence, then you have to put down auxiliary verb first. Has she finished the work? And if you want to change this affirmative sentence into interrogative sentence as well as WS type, then why has, and after then past perfect, Mohan had written an essay. And if you want to change this affirmative sentence into interrogative sentence for as well as yes or no, then you have to put auxiliary verb first. Had Mohan written an essay. And if WS type, when, why, how. You are free to add any question words. And after them, future perfect. She will have plucked a flower. This is future perfect tense affirmative sentence. And if you want to change this affirmative sentence into interrogative, then this auxiliary verb put down first. Will she have loved a flowers, and after then question mark. And if you want to change WS type, then you have to put down first any question word. And after then present perfect continuous. Rahul has been cutting a tree since morning. It is affirmative sentence, present perfect continuous. And if you want to change this affirmative sentence into interrogative sentence, then if is in yes or no, then first of all you have to write down helping verb or auxiliary verb has, and after them subject. Has Rahul been cutting a tree since morning? And if you want to change this sentence into WS type question sentence, then you have to put down any question word. And after them past perfect continuous tense. Sohan had been making a chair for 2 hours. This is past perfect continuous tense affirmative sentence. And if you want to change this affirmative sentence into interrogative sentence, and as well as for yes or no type, then you have to put this auxiliary verb first, had, and after then subject. Had Sohan been making a chair for 2 hours, and at last question mark. And if you want to change WS type, then why, how, any question word you may put. And at last future perfect continuous. I shall have been making an urban part for 2 days. If you want to change this affirmative sentence into interrogative as well as for yes or no, Then first of all, you have to write down this auxiliary verb. Shall I have been making an urban path for 2 days. And if you want to change this affirmative sentence into interrogative as well as for WH type, then you have to put down any question word. In this way, your chapter interrogative sentence has over. You have to listen, you have to read carefully, and after it you will be find an exercise whom you have to write down your copy. Thank you.